This is a installation video for the A119 Dashcam. First we're going to position our cabling where we want it to go so we can aim the camera with power. So if you order your Dashcam through blackboxmycar.com, they give you a wonderful pry bar for doing this exact part of the installation. When you put your wiring harness above through the headliner, this piece of plastic under here is very flexible and you can get at it and push your cabling through. I would always start from where the dash cam is going to go. So you push it in the headliner, and when you get to the side post, this is where it gets a little tricky. It gets very tight, and if you have a pry bar or any kind of tool, this is what really aids the installation. So you want to definitely get something in here to help you get this gap bigger so you can position all the cable all the way down as far as you can go. I'm routing it on the dash, on the driver's side dash, only because it's easier for me. And once you have enough cabling in, you can then push it, pull it as much as you need. And the headliner, the reasoning they don't want you to put on the left hand side is for that very reason of the cabling coming down. But I'm going to be attaching Velcro up here to keep the cable from flipping out exactly like that. I'm just going to put Velcro around the cable, tie wrap it, and stick it to this fabric headliner, which will stick perfectly. So once you have your cabling routed through the post, find out approximately how much of it you're going to need. Again, following the contours and where you want it to go. And adjust its length. And then we will set up the aiming of the camera out the windshield and the mounting to the windshield. Okay, to position and aim the dash cam, it's basically three procedures. One is you need power to aim it, so that's why I pre-routed the cable. But the second part would be to have some kind of tape. Now, I just use stickers from my last oil change to position the actual corner of the GPS mount. And the best way to do it, before you even power it up, is loosen your mount. If it's the non-GPS, whatever, loosen it so that it would be the position of just taking it off. Once you have it like that, position your dash cam with the mount close to your rear view mirror, but given enough room that you can still remove it from the clip. So if you have it in that position for removal, that would be the measurement closest to your rear view mirror bracket. So that would give you your horizontal line limit. So you put a piece of tape across, marking the upper limit. Then you would go ahead, put the unit on full, lock it in place. Don't take off the adhesive yet. Now you'd connect the camera to power and turn on your ignition. 2 clicks. So it powers the unit. Place the mount back up against the marker that you just put on your windshield. Hold it there. And now you can do the left and right and the twist alignment by looking at the image on the screen. And I would also suggest aim the camera down a little to get the bottom of your dash and the farthest portion, which would give you a kind of a square or a more straight edge for alignment. Once you've found that position, Again, this is without attaching the adhesive to the windshield. This is just you holding it. Once you got that position, mark it with another piece of tape. In this case, I used a label. So you have the exact edge of the outline of your mount on the glass. Once that's done, remove the power, remove your backing, and the best way to put the adhesive on so you don't get bubbling against the glass is kind of rock it. So if you have it aligned the way I have, you're going to stick on this corner and then slowly twist it in place from one corner to the other, and that will eliminate bubbling. So let's see if we can get this right. Let's try to do it slow. Okay, without really firmly attaching it, connect your power again, just to see that the positioning is more or less perfect. You would still have the ability to twist it off. And what you want to do is just verify the horizon line. And of course, your left and right posts, if you can see the corners of your post, so you can center it. And this one looks dead on. Yeah, my tape method there has served its purpose, and everything lined up. My left and right posts are exactly dead center. So that's all you need to do to align your camera on the windshield. The trick is a little preparation, and always start by cleaning the inside of your windshield where it's being mounted, just so that you have a cleaner, more positive contact with the adhesive. Thank you for watching. View the footage and the tips on how to use your VIOFO A119 Dashcam.